guys, welcome back to Fish Over Chicks Woodworking. My name is Peter, and today I'm going to be showing you the easiest way to cut juice grooves into a cutting board. So I've got a nice piece of cherry cutting board here, just a one slab piece here. A lot of people like these because there is no glue involved, so there is no way that they are going to crack. But anyways, that is what we're doing. But first, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy jig. All I did here is I took a piece of MDF that I have scrap lying around. I screwed these pieces to it. So the important thing to know about this is you want your inner pieces, which are the smaller ones, which I'm going to call our spacers, to be 1 inch thick, or at least all the same thickness. So here I have my router, and as you can see, from here to here is about 1.5 inches, I believe it was. So I want the juice grooves to be 1/2 inch in. So obviously I'm going to need this to be, these spacers to be 1 inch thick. So that's what I'm doing here. And then these pieces on the side, which are just scrap 2x4s, all those need to do is be taller than these and taller than your cutting board itself, because you need you need a wall for the router guard to hit. So it's not going over, it's hitting under, so then you can guide it. So basically, when I made this one, I was making it with a size board like this in mind. So I just slid the board in first. Basically what I did is I put the board down, screwed down one side of the spacer, and then another side of the spacer as tight as I could go. See, like here, this is not right now screwed to this length. So actually what I'm going to have to do is unscrew this spacer here, because this board is sliding around a bit, and push it towards this a little bit more. And then I'm also going to do that with this one, because this one's not in yet. And I'm just pressing as much force as I can, and then also screw this one down, pressing it as close together as I can. So let's go do that. Alright, so like I said, this wasn't flush. So now I'm going to flip this around so the screw holes are not in the same place. And I'm going to push it as flush as I can. And then I'm also going to push this one as flush to that as I can. All right, there we go. That board is not going anywhere. So now let's go to the router. All right, so I am using just a regular, I don't know what kind of router bit this is called, but it is just basically a half circle, and that's perfect for juice grooves. So I'm not going to start too deep, about 1/8 inch deep, and basically just going to turn it on and make sure that your router is against this wall or this wall at all times. And just like that, you've got a juice groove. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and make this a little bit taller, so it cuts a little bit deeper, and go over it again. And there you have it. That is how you cut juice grooves. Super simple jig and super simple way to do it. And then when you want to take it out, simply undo one of the sides. And then, see, it's tight in there. So, or maybe undo both sides. And there you have it. You're bored with juice grooves. Guys, I hope you found this video helpful. It is a super easy way to cut juice grooves, and it's a pretty easy jig too. It only took me like 20 minutes when I built it the first time. But yeah, that's how you do it. If you're going to use this technique yourself, leave a comment down below, let me know. But as always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below any other videos you'd like us to make. and we'll see what we can do. Till next time, thanks for watching.